Hello, welcome to our recorded class, and this is the pre-kinder level online class. For today's date, it is January 15, 2025. Now let's start with our lesson, and remember for this week we will have our OG words or OG words. Let's go back and review the OG words that we have. We have the hog, another word for pig is a hog. We have the frog. A frog is an animal that likes to croak. We have the blog. You can read articles or stories from a blog in the internet. This is a fog. It's the thick air that goes down and covers everything around you. It's hard to see when there's a fog. We have jog. If you want to jog, you do exercise. This is a log. The log is a cut up tree. We also have the smog. The smog is the dirty air that you do not breathe. That is, it hurts your lungs and your body if you breathe it too much. We also have the dog. The dog likes to bark. The cog is inside a machine, and this is a bog. A bog is like a swamp. So let's go back again. Some of our words that has ONG: dog, cog, fog, hog, jog, log, frog, blog, smog. Please prepare your board, your whiteboard marker, and your eraser. We are going to practice some of our words on the board. So on my screen, I am going to write the word and you have to follow what I wrote. The first word that I will write is the word cog. C-O and the letter G. This is the word cog. The cog is inside a machine, like maybe a clock or your watch, and inside of an appliance like the electric fan or the refrigerator. Let's erase this one and let's go move to another word. How about we write for jog? J-O and the letter G. This is jog. J-O-G, jog. Another one, let's write for the word log. L-O and the letter G. This is log. How about for our fog? F-O and the letter G. This is the fog. And the last one, let's write for frog. Can we write for frog? F-R-O and the letter G, frog. Now, if I am being fast, you can pause the video and play it again if you're not yet done practicing or writing down your words there on your board. Now, if we're done with this one, can we move to the next? So I think let's do the next part of our screen work, and that is to read a story. So this time it's a very short story so that we can try to read our og words. Let me fix this one so that it is bigger and you can see the screen. So how about we read the title? It says here, a jog in the fog. So sometimes you can do that one in the fog, but you have to be careful. There are lots of things around you that you might not see. It's covered by the fog. So let's read the sentence here. We went for a jog. One of our og words is jog. Jog in the fog. So I have also here the word fog. So jog and fog are og words. Let's erase this one. Let's go jump to another part of our story. And let's read this one. We jog in the fog with our dog. So what are the og words? We have the dog, we have fog, and we also have the word jog. So let's erase this one. We saw a frog on the jog. So during the time that they were jogging, they found a frog. So our word, the og words frog and the word jog. Let's erase this one. Let's move to the next. So what else do we have here? The frog was in a bog. So our words, frog, the animal that you see here is the frog, and then it stays in a bog. It's like in a swamp. Sometimes it's muddy in the bog. Next one, the frog sat on a log in the bog. So let's circle our og words. This is frog. We have the log. And the last one, it's the bog. Let's erase the writings. Let's move on to the next. So let's see what do we have here. The frog hopped off the log. So what are the words that have OG? We have the word frog and we have the word log also. Let's move to the next sentence. The frog hopped onto a hog. So this one is a hog. Now the hog stays in the wild. So this one is a different hog. It's not like the one you see in the farm. It's brown and it's hairy. And this one, we also have the word frog. Let's erase this one. And let's go move on to the next part of our class. So we're done already reading for some of our og words in the very short story. Let's go do our work time. So for this one, I want you to write your name first at the top of the work. And you get to also do your I Spy og words. This time you get to color for the hog. So I'll be using color pink to color my hog. So I have here the hog. And what we want you to do for this work is to color and write the og words from the hog. So we will write them down. We will list them down. There are 6 words that you will need to write for. So for this work, let's color for our hog. Color the inside. Let us write. We have H, oops, sorry, H-O-N-G. Teacher forgot to color it again. There's still white spaces. We have to fill this one. Remember when we color, we try not to leave white spaces. So I'll go back and fix this one. You have to fill the space. So again, we have our first word, hog. Next one, I found the word fog, F-O, and the letter G, fog. I see the word cog, C-O, and the letter G. Then we also have the word dog, D-O, and the letter G. I see the word jog, J-O, and the letter G. And the last one is log, L-O-N-G. So let's read our words. We have hog, fog, cog, dog, jog, log. So those are the og words that we have. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, you pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's erase the writings on the screen. I'll jump to the next one. And that is to also do the spin and write and match. Now, from this work, let me move this one a little. Let me fix something. Let's write for our og word. So we have log, L, O, and the letter G, log. So on my screen, there are no dotted lines. It's hard to see. But for your work, you have to trace O and G and write the missing letter. So I have the first word log. Next one, we have the jog, J, O, and the letter G, jog. Then I have cog, C, O, and the letter G, this is cog. Another one, I have hog, H, O, and the letter G, hog. Another one, dog, D, O, and the letter G, dog. And the last one, fog, F, O, and the letter G, fog. So we have all our words. Now it's time for us to paste the pictures. The first one that I have here, it is for jog. So where is jog? Put it here. Now, by the way, your pictures are found in page 112. So let's fix that one. You'll find it in page 112. You need to cut and paste for your pictures. Next, dog. This is the picture of dog. D-O-G is dog. We have the picture of the cog. C-O-G. This one is cog. Another one, fog. F-O-G. This is fog. Next one, I have the hog. H-O-G. Hog. And the last one, log, L-O-G. So this is how your work should look like. You have to write for your og words and paste for the pictures. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. I have to move to the next work, and that is for this page. We get to also write for the sentence and color the picture. Again, our cutouts are found in page 112. Now, how about let's do first our sentence? I will line them in the right place here. You have to cut and paste it. So the first word in our sentence is I, and then love my pet dog. So this is how our sentence should look like. So again, let's read it. I love my pet dog. Let's color for our pictures. So I have here my crayon on the screen. I'll get to color the picture of the dog. Let's write for the sentence. I love, don't forget the spaces in between. I love my pet dog. Okay, that is your sentence. I love my pet dog. End it with a period. So here we have our work, and this should also be the one that you'll be doing there. If you're not yet done with the work, pause the video. Play it again once you are done. Let's erase this one, and let's do another part of our work here, and that is to fill in the missing word in our sentence. So again, please do not forget to write your name on the worksheet so that I'll know it is your work. Our picture is the fog. F-O-G, fog. Let's write it. F-O and the letter G, fog. Next one. We also have the picture of the log, L-O-G. L-O and letter G. This is log. Next, I have the picture of the dog. We have the O and letter G. Then we also have another word for pig, a hog. H, O, and letter G, hog. We have also the picture of the girl doing a jog. J, O, and the letter G. And the last one, we have our frog. We have F, R, O, and the letter G. So let's read our sentence. Can you see in the fog? So that's our sentence. Next, let's sit on the log. Another one. My dog has spots. Next, the fog is muddy. Kim went for a jog. The frog jumped away. So those are the OG words, the OG words that we have for this work. Now, if you're not yet done with the work, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Let's go read our sentence about Katie's animals. So here we have our short story and we get to dot using our crayon or our marker to answer later. So can you read with me? Katie lives on a farm. She has lots of animals. She has a dog and a fog. So Katie lives where? In a zoo, in a farm, or in a city? In the city. It should be on a farm. So let's color dot this here. Katie has lots of what? Animals, toys, or books. From our story, she has lots of animals. Last one, Katie has a dog and a cat, a dog and a hog, or a horse. It should be a dog and a hog. So those are the ones that you need to answer, okay? Now, if you're not yet done with the work, pause the video, play it again once you are done. Can I move to the next work? The next work will be our last work for today's recorded class. So let's read together. We have dog, log, fog, and hog. The fog. Look at the fog. I see a log in the fog. I see a hog on the log. I see a dog on the log. Again, look at the fog. I see a log in the fog. I see a hog on the log. I see a dog on the log. Last round for reading. We need to read it 3 times. Look at the fog. I see a log in the fog. I see a hog on the log. I see a dog on the log. Now, once you're done reading, color the smileys. Let's read our sentence to answer. I see a hog, a log, a fog in the fog. So what do you see again? I see a hog, a log, a fog in the hog. It was it was a log in the fog. Okay, next one. I see a fog, a hog, a log on the log. What went on the log? A fog, a hog, or a log? It's going to be a hog. It sat on the log. It was there on the log. If you finish this work, good job. But if you're not yet done, pause the video, play it again once you are done. This ends our recorded class for today. Good job if you finished the work for today. But if you're not yet done, again, pause the video, play it again once you are done. And I'll see you again in our next class. Bye-bye.